If your Pandora app crashes, won't update, shows an error, or it simply won't open, then this could be happening because your Pandora app might be damaged or corrupt. So follow the steps on this video to learn how to fix your Pandora app in a quick and easy way. First, open the Start menu. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Installed Apps section. Locate Pandora. Click on the three dots to open the Pandora app options. Click on Advanced Options. Look for the Reset section. If your Pandora app isn't working right, you can try to repair it. The Pandora app data won't be affected. Now press Repair. If Pandora is still not working right, reset it. Now press the Reset button. This will permanently delete the Pandora app on this device. Press Reset again. If Pandora is still not working, you could try to reinstall it. This will uninstall Pandora and its settings. Your documents will not be affected. First, press Uninstall. The Pandora app and its related data will be uninstalled. Press Uninstall again. Now open your Microsoft Store to download the Pandora app again. Search for Pandora. Click on Pandora. Press the Get button to start downloading Pandora. Wait for Pandora to be downloaded and installed. Now your Pandora app should be installed. Now open your Pandora app. Select Sign In. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.